guys, RaceCarAngel here, or Angel, and we're gonna do today is we're gonna vacuum my car, Selena. So she's really dirty inside. There's a bunch of crumbs and stuff like that, and stuff you could see like chain, like pennies and coins, and so why not just give her a vacuum? It was old dirty here way more before, but it's getting dirty again. But let's give her a good vacuum, guys. And I got this for Black Friday, and it's all brand new and stuff, so let's see how this thing works too. And I got her reindeer antlers, and this is like the nose, but the reindeer antlers is inside the car. So Christmas is already over, but you know, I still have the nose, so why not? I'm just rocking it right now. So yeah, guys, so let's give her a good vacuum and let's see what can this thing could do. Alright guys, so this side is already clean. It was better, way better than it was before. So we got this side, and now we have that side to finish, a little back to finish, and pretty much the trunk. But yeah, we're getting there, guys. This vacuum is doing great, but it's getting there. And let's finish those other parts. Alright guys, so I finished cleaning up this part too. Now it's all nice and neat now. It's all clean. Now it's better than it was before. So I have one more to go, and this is just the back part. And then I'll be done with vacuuming my car, Selena. So yeah, let me get to this, and I'll get back to you guys when I finish this part. Alright guys, so we just finished cleaning. I just finished cleaning the back part. Now it's so nice and good looking now. All clean. So yeah, this car is all clean now. Front, back, and back over there too. And yeah. Hey guys, I'm back. I finished cleaning my car, Selena. She's all nice and clean now, as you could see. She's all nice and clean. And yeah, and that's how she looks like with the reindeer antlers that I was talking about before. Tell me not, that looks cute, guys. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. I was just like, why not just post a video of cleaning my car, guys? And yeah, why not? So keep moving forward. Never give up on your dreams. Stay strong, and subscribe if you're new, and give this video a big like. And yeah guys, cool videos, cool content is on the way. I already have a plan to make a video on this car. You guys would probably enjoy it. But yeah guys, more cool videos, drone videos, all that cool stuff on the way. But yeah guys, subscribe if you're new, give this video a like, and yeah guys, never give up, stay strong, and I'll see you guys later.